Hey guys, welcome back to High Yield Intraday Trading. I hope every one of you is doing good. So before we start discussing today's topic, let me request you all to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button here. Once you click on it, you will get the confirmation on the left bottom corner. Post you subscribe to my channel, also make sure to press the bell icon and click on all. You will get the confirmation on the left bottom corner so that whenever I upload a video, you get the notification about the same without any misses. Also, I would request you all to subscribe to my Telegram channel with the name HYIT Intraday Calls because I share a lot of things over there and it might be helpful to you in some way or the other. All right, so this video is just an update video regarding how HYIT is performing when it comes to the premium recommendations in the equity cash segment. I know that previously I had a plan of posting such videos on a weekly basis or on a monthly basis, but I'm not doing it because I feel that it's not really necessary to do it every now and then because we anyways have a platform called as Telegram. Okay, which is an open platform wherein anyone can join in and see what's happening inside the channel and the other updates that I post in there. So I really don't feel the need of making such videos on a weekly or on a monthly basis. Okay, so we will cover the first week of June 2020. This was something extraordinary because the strike rate that we achieved was 94.11%, wherein 17 calls were given for all the 5 days of the week, out of those 17 calls, 16 calls were profitable and just one call was a loss making call. Okay. And the point to note here is the calls that were profitable in almost all of those calls, we have earned at least 1% or more than 1% of the script's price. Okay, so that's a huge thing when it comes to intraday trading. Okay, it's a huge thing for an intraday trader. Okay, catching 1% or anything more than 1% of the stock's price, okay, is for sure a big deal. Okay, and please note that this is not for the guys who argue with me about 1 is to 5 or 1 is to 10 risk reward ratio type of calls. Okay, please, I'm a small guy and I'm really happy in earning whatever profits I'm earning from the market and also with helping others to earn some good amount of money from the stock market. Okay, so having that said, let me take you to the Telegram channel and show you the recommendations there so that there should not be any ambiguity going forward. So let me just bring in Telegram here. Right, so this is the public Telegram channel wherein anyone can join in. Okay, if you have not joined in, I would request you all to please join in and you can just type in HYIT at the rate HYIT intraday calls and click on the join button and that will guide you inside this particular channel. Okay, so this is the public channel wherein anyone can join in. Okay, getting on to the premium channel, as you can see here, this is the equity cash premium channel. Okay, wherein all the actions happen. Okay, so let me quickly go through or scroll through the calls that I had given. So the latest one that you see here is for June 5th, as you can see here. Okay, so let's take it up from here. So this is for June 5th. All the three calls were in profit. uh, June 4th, one call was in profit. June 3rd, five calls were given, out of which four calls were in profit and one was in loss. Similarly, on June 2nd, four calls were given, all the four calls were in profit. And on June 1st, that is the first day of June, four calls were given and all the four calls were in profits. Okay, so this is how we are performing, and just to make sure, okay, let me just scroll through some other dates as well. Okay, so it's not only about June. It's not that in June first week we really performed well. That is the reason why I'm showing you this video or why I'm making this video. No, it's not like that. We okay. Let me scroll through the other dates and you will get to know by yourself. Okay, so this is May 29th, as you can see here. Okay, two calls were given, two calls were in profit. Similarly, on May 28th, five calls were given, three in profit, two in loss. Similarly, 27th of May, two calls were given, two were in profits. 26th of May, one, two, three, four, five, six, 7 calls were given. 6 were in profit, 1 was in loss. Okay, so as you can see here, I don't want to scroll up further because I've already shown you for 2 weeks, I believe, right? So this is how we perform. Okay, this is how we perform, and I always post the screenshots post I finish giving the calls, so you can have them looked out at in this particular channel, HYT Intraday Calls, which is the public channel. Okay, so this is how we are performing. Okay, so I just wanted to show you this so that everything is very transparent and you see everything happening on the Telegram itself where all the action happens. Okay, so this is the exact thing which I wanted to show you now when it comes to giving out the recommendations on a daily basis. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you guys, and of course this video is for sure a publicity video wherein I'm trying to show off or broadcast what I am or what HYIT is capable of. Okay, of course we need to advertise ourselves, or else how will the people know what's going on around them? Okay, what's happening around them? So basically we are insisting you people to join in our premium services, but only after we show you our performance. Okay, it's not that we are just asking you to join in. We are performing first and then we are requesting you to join in if at all you are interested. Okay, so as always, the decision is all yours. Okay, if you feel that HYIT can help you in earning money, then our doors are always open for you. Anyone can join in anytime. Okay, there's no restrictions as such. Okay, and if you have some other thoughts, then please select your options very wisely. Okay, and one more thing that I want to mention here is that it would not be possible for us to maintain the strike rate of 94 or 95% every single week. Let's be very clear about it. It is just not possible. Okay, I mean, no one can guarantee that. Nobody can guarantee that because nobody knows what's going to happen in the market, how the market is going to react and stuff like that. Okay, but we have been able to maintain a strike rate of around 75% to 80% to 85% week on week, month after month. Okay, so that is the average strike rate you can take for us. Okay, 75 to 80 to 85%. Okay, so one thing is for sure, you will be in profits if you follow what we say while taking the recommendations, while taking the calls. Okay, and as asked by many other guys, how much profits will I be able to earn in a month? Well, there is no solid answer to it because it actually depends and differs from person to person. Okay, like for example, if a guy has more capital, then his profits will be more. And if, on the contrary, if a guy whose capital is less, then obviously his profits will be less. Okay, but as a call giver, okay, me as a call giver, what I have to make sure is that all the calls or recommendations that go out from my end are profitable, and that's what I always try to do. Okay, and I never interfere or draw a line when it comes to the capital requirements because I know that different people will have different financial status, and I have no right to draw a line on the financial status of an individual. Okay, so the only thing I say is that capital is your thing and you need to decide how much capital can you invest to trade, but my job is to give profitable calls, as simple as that. Yeah, I mean, the only thing we do good is that we follow the technicals strictly and we believe in our technicals blindly. Okay, and I believe and trust that this very thing is the sole reason of why we are able to suck out money from the stock market. Okay, so that's it from my end, guys. And as always, I would request you all to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, please do not miss the ending of this video as you will get to know some more details about HYT that might be helpful to you in some way or the other. And please feel free to ask your questions or queries, if any, in the comments section, and I will surely answer back to it when I have the time. Okay, and also please do not forget to like and do not forget to like this video if you liked it. So that's all from my end, and I will see you all later. Hope you all will stick back. Happy trading. Stay back home. Bye bye.